these are chakras for kids is open up to age 7. How can we teach them so that the chakra won't close?
Yes. You see, at the age of 7, give them the Gayatri. Before 7, never try to teach them not to use the left. The growth of the body energy will be beautiful, will be more natural when they live without the upper body, lower body separation. You see, when you separate the upper body and lower body, consciousness is separated. Now, for example, suddenly, if you close and remember Ravi Malpani, what will you remember? Only the upper body, never the lower body. You understand? With conscious, you can remember the lower body. A sudden thought will remind you only the upper body. It means what? Half of your body is simply forgotten. Half of your body is not used. You feel only this much is your being. When the upper body and lower body is separated by the clothes, you just remove, you keep distant from the nature. You don't feel how much you feel you are conscious here. You don't feel that much here. You understand? So, see, at least they are without any of this type of tight things, tight belt or tight clothes, tight rope. If possible, give them a single piece of cloth. Yeah, one cloth which covers the whole piece. Like Baba uses. One cloth. Like that you give the cloth. So the cloth using. Then the next, whenever they do anything adventurous, if they climb up, if they go on the fence or if they go on the tree, never tell them not to climb. Let them fall. Be ready for first aid. Today the people who are in this field, they prove very, very clearly, if the child is afraid of climbing up, even in the life he will be very much afraid, he will be very reluctant to take any new decision. So allow them to do as they want, and especially the whirling. You can see the children, they will stretch out their hands and they will whirl. They will round like this. The whirling is a very powerful, highly powerful technique to create the center in them. In Sufism, the whirling is a great meditation technique. It is called Sufi whirling. The whirling, have you heard? Dervish whirling. So when the children does the whirling, never disturb them. Allow them to do the whirling. Whirling will give a tremendous center in them. So encourage them the whirling. So when it crosses the 7, give them Gayatri. These are the few instructions, is more than enough.
Is it given to girls and boys? Because boys get the Upanayana.
No, you can give it to the girls also. You see, read the Upanishad, Gargi, Maitreyi, all these people have.
They had the Upanishad.
Not only that, they had the Gayatri, and go and see any Devi statue, you will see the Upanayana.
Sorry, because we teach Bal Vikas at the temple. So right now we have children age 3, 3.5 to 15-year-olds that come attend the class we teach. But we also, like in our prayers, one of the thing is Gayatri Mantra. Is that okay? Because the kids...
Perfectly okay. Okay? And if possible, give them the Mahamantra, this Mahamantra meditation. This is a very simple thing which they can do and which will improve the energy of the chakras. That's perfectly okay.
Gayatri Mantra can chant louder, the kids,
yes.
or you should hum inside.
No.
I heard that you should hum inside, you should not...
Children cannot hum inside with the proper pronunciation. Children need to shout only. You can hum inside. Children need to shout. The Gayatri Mantra, syllables of the mantra are the syllables of the different chakras. So if they just chant at least 11 times every day morning with a louder voice, you see, for us only we need to use it inside itself. The contamination is too much. For them it's not too much. If they just chant loud also is enough. Just the chakras, those chakras will just touched.
Can you say a couple of times how you should smile?
Om Bhurbhuvah Suvah Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yona Prachodaya. Each and every system, there are 4 Vedas, all the 4 Vedas differ a little bit. This way, that way. What I chanted is according to the Krishna Yajurveda. Krishna Yajurveda, according to the Puri Sannyas Sampradaya. We have the Puri Sannyas Sampradaya. I received sannyas from Puri Sampradaya. In that Sampradaya, how they chant, I chanted. This is what a popular version. This version is the popular version. But in the Rig Veda, they add 2-3 words more. Satya, Tapa, all the 7 words they add. In the Atharvana Veda, they don't use any word directly. Om, Tatsavidur Varanyam. They use just like it differs from Vedas to Veda. Puri Sampradaya, we chant like this. That's not a problem. The main 3 words are enough.
Because the reason I heard the other phrase, so you cannot chant
Nothing like
the
that.
louder, so that's
one
why
thing.
we have done that.
You
It's
see-
not
you
good
see.
for you or something like that.
One thing, even in Chicago they asked me, can ladies chant in all the days? I tell you, you can meditate, do puja, all the spiritual things 365 days. In leap years, 366 days. Nothing is restriction. When you are in that period, you need more meditation, more spirituality, because your body and mind will be in depressed condition. That time you need more God. If God cannot come and help you at the time of need, what is the use of God now? So perfectly alright. When you are in depression, you need more God, more meditation, more spirituality. Perfectly okay, don't bother.